Can a light cup module detect tilt and control an LED using Arduino UNO? We're using a light cup module with today in day 28 of our 37 sensors challenge, the Arduino UNO to detect tilt and control an LED. For this project, we need an Arduino UNO, a light cup module, a breadboard, jumper wires, and a USB power cable. Now let's look at the connections. Connect the VCC pin of the light cup module to 5 volts, G and D to ground, and the signal pin to digital pin 2 of the Arduino UNO. Then connect the positive terminal of an LED to digital pin 3 and the negative terminal to ground. Now comes the coding part. The reason we write Arduino code is because Arduino needs to continuously monitor the light cup module and respond whenever tilt or movement is detected. In the code, the light cup module is connected to pin 2 and the LED is connected to pin 3. Inside the setup function, the sensor pin is configured as input, the LED pin as output, and upload the code. Now let's test it. Tilt the light cup module gently. The moment tilt is detected, the LED turns on and the serial monitor displays the tilt state. Return the module to its original position and the LED turns off again. This simple project demonstrates how tilt sensing works and is commonly used in motion detection, smart toys, alarm systems, orientation sensing, and automation projects. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to sarkitedtech for stay connected for day 29 of the 37 Sensors Challenge.